Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday 5th of February. Let's have a look at cable, which is dropping. It's now back below 30.50, which was a little bit of a near-term support, certainly last week, closed below that yesterday, and is now finding this morning that it's a basis of resistance. You've had the sort of negative read-through from the services PMI data for the UK. That's helped to drive sterling back lower by sort of a 20 pips or so as well. You look at these technicals now, you've got in the mid 50s, it's not sort of breaking at, I suppose, multi-week lows, but ultimately back below 60 from having been above 70. That's the corrective signal, in my opinion. You've got the MACD lines which are crossing lower, again corrective. You've got stochastics which are accelerating lower, having bear crossed. Sell signal. It all looks as though that the sterling is in retreat for now on a near-term basis, and you can see that through this little trend lower that I've drawn in this morning. And you now start to think about where it's going to come back to. Well, initially 30 big figure is the support, that little breakout level, also psychological. It's not a million miles off testing that this morning already. But then if it breaks 30 big figure, you're looking at 29.20, which is another old pivot, this line here, this dashed green line, and then you're looking at 28.15, which was a near-term breakout, which became supportive earlier on in January. So these are the sort of levels we're talking at now. But ultimately, if I zoom back out, as I said in the morning report, essentially this is still just a range play, really, and it's just dropping back towards the middle of the range, which is, as I said, sort of 28 figure to 28.9, sorry, to 29 figure area. That sort of ballpark is sort of mid-range of the sort of 25 to 33 area of the range. So it's just unwinding within the range. So I'm not getting exceptionally negative about sterling at the moment, but it's just drifting back. And obviously it's been helped lower by that services PMI data today. But ultimately, I'm not getting exceptionally negative about sterling just because it's dropped below 30.50. It's just coming back into a whole bunch of sort of breakout supports and old pivots. And they should be hopefully supportive for sterling. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.